My name's Skylar, and today we'll be studying a pedigree for eye color among 4 generations. The family is from the show This Is Us, and individuals who are affected will have dark eyes, and individuals who are unaffected will have light eyes. This is the pedigree for the family. Individuals who have dark eyes and are affected are shaded, while individuals who are unaffected who have light eyes are left unshaded. Here we see the pedigree displaying the autosomal dominant mode of inheritance, with all individuals who are affected being shaded. If we look at Jack's parents, Stanley and Marilyn, we are unsure who is the carrier. We know that Jack must be a carrier because one of his children, Kate, is unaffected. Here you can see how the dark-eyed dominant trait works for the autosomal dominant mode of inheritance. The drops represent each gene in the genotype. When the dominant gene or a black drop is present, the liquid on the paper becomes black, showing an affected individual. The drops on the paper for each homozygous recessive individual remain clear as there is no dominant gene present. Another possible mode of inheritance for this pedigree is autosomal recessive. We see here all the individuals who are affected have the homozygous genotype a. The dark eyes trait could also be X-linked recessive. We see here in the pedigree that the affected males have the genotype XaY, and the affected females have the genotype XaXa. We see here how X-linked dominant is not a possible mode of inheritance for this pedigree. This is because Kate, who is unaffected, would have to inherit one of her X chromosomes from her father, who is affected, and Kevin, who is affected, would have to inherit his X chromosome from his mother, who is unaffected. This shows how X-linked dominant is not a possible mode of inheritance. Rebecca, the mother, is unaffected and has 2 recessive genes on her X chromosomes. Jack is affected and has a dominant gene on his X chromosome. Kate, the daughter, is to get 1 X chromosome from each parent. However, since Jack is affected, if he were to give his X chromosome to Kate, it would make her affected, while in reality, Kate is unaffected. Y-linked is also an impossible mode of inheritance. We know this because 2 females are affected and they have no Y chromosome.